You are starting to notice signs of aging in your own body and are looking for advice on how to either slow down these effects or stop them entirely. In this video you will find proven ways to help slow down the effects of aging and help you live a happy life. If you worry about aging skin and wrinkles, stay away from the sun. Of course, we all like a little sun, but too much exposure can cause premature aging of the skin as well as increasing the risk of skin cancer. Tanning beds also pose the same risks, maybe even to a greater extent, as people tend to overuse them. Be alive while you are alive. Many sad things are going to happen in your life. You should take the time to grieve and then endure the pain that you experience. Do not spend too much time holding onto those painful feelings. They will surely bring you down and out. Try to quit smoking or reduce the number of cigarettes that you smoke each day. Smoking is one of the leading causes of preventable death. However, it is never too late to stop smoking, and as soon as you quit, your risk of having a heart attack decreases. By quitting you could also save yourself a lot of money. Drink 8 or more glasses of water every single day. Water does a lot of things that help your body combat the signs of aging. It makes your skin look healthier, it removes toxins from your system, and it brings important nutrients to the cells in your body. Make sure you have enough water in your diet, you will feel better for it. If you make sure to have money to live on in your old age, you'll reduce the amount of stress you'll be under, and maintain your quality of life. Take some time to analyze your finances, and see if you can prepare for some of the eventualities associated with aging. If you do, you'll be able to better afford medical care, food, housing, etc. Everyone suffers from a certain amount of stress in their life, but in order to keep the aging process slow and graceful, it's important to keep stress at bay. A great way to do this is by practicing relaxation techniques. There are a wide variety of techniques available, including meditation, yoga, and Tai Chi. Pick the method that you are most comfortable with and be sure to practice it several times a week to slow down the aging process. While an occasional drink every now and then is perfectly acceptable, in order to slow the aging process, alcohol is something that should be avoided. In excess, alcohol can cause cardiovascular diseases, certain cancers, can weaken your immune system and affect your system of balance, resulting in injuries. By limiting alcohol, you are helping your body fight the inevitable aging process. Looking younger depends on not wearing powder, makeup, and foundation. Although makeup is supposed to help people look better, it makes the skin less elastic and contributes to the skin losing hydration. It is okay to wear it every now and then, but for the most part try to just use mascara and lip gloss and avoid putting makeup directly on the skin. In conclusion, you are looking for tips and tricks how to best either put a halt to or delay the effects of aging. It is important to you that you look and feel your best. Hopefully the information that has been provided in this video will be beneficial to you. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time, have a wonderful life.